Hi guys, it's Shami. So today we are going to do an art journaling page. This was inspired by a homily that I heard um, this week, and it really touched me. It was really beautiful. It was just about how God is our bridegroom and how Jesus is building a house for us. So it's really beautiful. He talked about kind of the ancient Jewish tradition about how marriages went, that you said your vows first and then you waited for your husband to build your house. And that's what Jesus is doing with us. So I was very inspired by that. So I wanted to share the process of how I'm going to create that. I really want to do it on a big scale, a painting. But I like sometimes to work in my journals to figure things out first, and then I will scale it up. So I'm super excited to start this page. I'm going to start out with a silhouette that I found online, and I'm going to try to make it as easy as I can on myself because I'm limited on time, and then I will hopefully do it in a big scale. And look at all this sun coming into my desk. So I'm probably going to wait for that to move over a little bit. I think it's moving as we speak too. Yeah, but I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you guys are having a great week, and I will see you later. Bye bye.
You've been hurting, hiding all the pain you know. You found he won't be there when you need. He's spending all your money but won't earn it though. Love can kill your heart when you're naive. He's jealous of your life, makes you feel as if you're nothing. He comes begging in the night. Girl, you're dying to feel something. Sunshine, I'll bring you sunshine. Let him fall, that sunshine killer. I'll bring you sunshine. Sunshine killer. You deserve to have someone who gives to you. He stays with you only to survive. Oh, I'm the one who stays, but he's just passing through. You need love, you need a real woman stuff. You need me in your life. Oh, come to me and cry. I was raised to be your soldier. You're a queen, you give me life. Let me serve and love and hold you. Sunshine, I'll bring you sunshine, baby. Let him fall, that sunshine killer. I work hard so you can. I'm a boss, here's the plan. Step into my life. I adore your natural beauty. This real man can treat you right. Leave him there and come run to me. Sunshine, I'll bring you sunshine. Don't you know I will let him fall down, killer. Sunshine, baby, sunshine. Got a friend that graduated college. Middle school, we made a pact. When she made it, I would be her client. Studied law, hit them books a lot. I see her rising and I'm happy cause I know she ain't never stopped. I know a dude who owns a barbershop in the valley, Cali Green, fresh cuts and reciprocity. He said the rich got problems we don't even know. He said, let them have my problems. I bet you they won't trade me though. I laughed hard cause I know it's the truth. But on the other side, people start coming at you. And on another side, money starts flowing from you to faces you know and faces you don't. What do? Take a step back and think about it. If you never made a dime, would it be so crowded? Huh? So a barber or a lawyer, still they gonna call you. Every day they bother, a hit dog, a holler, hey.
Look at all of the money you are making now. You're living the dream. Look at all of the people you connected to. Don't forget about me. Can I borrow some money? I look up to you. Help me to achieve. Still I'm needing that money, but I do love you. It ain't what it seems.
My niece loves me forever, working hard. I'm passing through Kentucky, yeah, we kick it together. I say, keep on saving your money, keep it quiet, cause when people know you got it, they start acting funny, they start calling on the regular, texting on your cellular, loving you and hating you. Now you're that competitor. Success can be a curse when the people act irregular. Being broke is worse, so we chase it to the death of us. Come up in the world, say that again. Now you're hanging with your enemies, they say they're your friends, cause you spending money from a world they think never ends. Cut them off before you fall, before you begin. I know this dude chasing music dreams, writing songs, mixtapes, staying up late, working 7 a week, and now a little money falling through. I figured out, first you losing, then you win, and then they all love you. Hey,
look at all of the money you are making now. You're living the dream. Look at all of the people you connected to. Don't forget about me. Can I borrow some money? I look up to you. Help
tell me what you
to
wanna achieve.
Still I'm needing that money, but I do love you. It ain't
Do you
what
love
it
me? I
seems.
gave $5, they ain't pay me back. I gave $10, they ain't pay me back. I gave $20, they ain't pay me back. I gave $100, they ain't pay me back. All these people say that they got my back, but when I really need them, tell me where they at. They got me giving 25, 100, 5 stacks. You're out your mind. I gotta move, I gotta move.
Look at all of the money you are making now. You're living
you live a dream.